In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to a newsletter on Substack, helping you stay updated with all the content you love from your favorite creators. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to substack.com. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details to access your dashboard. If you're new to Substack, you'll need to create an account, but let's assume you are an existing user for this guide. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized homepage where you can explore the vast array of newsletters on offer. Now, head over to the Explore section of Substack by navigating to substack.com Explore. Here, you can browse through a variety of creators' newsletters across an extensive range of topics. Take your time to explore and find a creator whose content resonates with you. When you see a newsletter you're interested in, click on it to go deeper into their posts and get a feel for their writing and topics. Once you've browsed and decided on a creator whose work you'd like to follow, it's time to subscribe. On the creator's homepage or within a preview of one of their posts, you'll notice a button that says either subscribe or upgrade to paid. Click this button to proceed to the next step in the subscription process. After clicking to subscribe, you'll be presented with different subscription plans. Typically, you have several options to choose from, which could include a monthly subscription, a yearly plan, or even a founding member option if the creator offers it. Founding member plans often come with added perks as a way of showing support to the creator in a more substantial way. Take a moment to consider which plan best suits your preference and budget before making a selection. At this stage, with your choice made, you'll need to enter your payment information. Substack processes transactions through Stripe, so you can rest assured that your credit or debit card details are secure. Fill in the necessary payment fields with precision to ensure a smooth transaction. Double-check your information to avoid any hiccups. Finally, to wrap things up and start enjoying all the content from your newly subscribed newsletter, click the Subscribe button. This confirms your purchase, and just like that, you have access to the latest updates and content specifically curated by your chosen creator. And there you go. By following these simple steps, you can easily subscribe to newsletters on Substack and delve into a world of insightful content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped enhance your Substack experience.